In this lecture, we are going to push complete code in our GitHub repository. Before pushing the code, I will come to package.json, and here, whenever we are pushing any code inside the GitHub, we will not be including node modules folder. So inside this build folder, I will also pass this command npm install. So using this, I will be installing node modules in root directory. But in our application, inside frontend folder also, we are having node modules folder. Let me show you. Inside this frontend also, we are having node modules. So again, I will copy this. Here I will be pasting. And this one where I have to install in frontend. So exact same prefix I'm just going to paste. Copy and paste. So in this way, whenever we run this npm run build, inside root, node modules folder will be installed. Inside frontend, node modules will be installed. And this npm run build command will be executed. So in this way, we have to assign this script. Now save. After that, inside frontend folder, we are having .git ignore. This git ignore, I'm just going to move to root. Click on this move. Now, inside this git ignore, we are having some logs and directories. Select and delete. And what all I have to ignore while pushing inside the GitHub? Inside this root, we are having node modules. So I'm just going to ignore that. I will come inside frontend. Inside that folder also, we are having this node modules. That also, I'm just going to ignore. And inside frontend folder, we are having this folder. This also we will not be including. Why? Because inside package.json, we have passed this complete script. So using this npm install, this node modules will be installed. Using this npm install, this node modules will be installed. And using this npm run build, we will have our dist folder. And finally, inside this backend folder, we are having one config.env. So this also I should not include. Here I will pass backend. Inside that we are having config, inside which we are having config.env. So all these files and folders we are simply going to ignore while pushing the code in our GitHub. Now open terminal. Click on this new terminal. Here I will run git status. I will have this error. This is not git repository. So here I will be passing the command git init. So using this, I have initialized empty git repository. Now I will be passing git status. You can see I am having all these files, and also I am having git ignore, and inside the root we are not having this node modules. Now all these files and folders are untracked. So what we will do, we will add all these files. For that, here I will be passing git add dot. So in this way, I am just going to add all the files. Now I will be running git status. You can see everything is green. After that, we have to pass this git commit -m, and inside this, I will pass the message as added all the files. Hit enter. Now I have committed all the changes. I will open GitHub. Click on this plus. Click on new repository. I will give the repository name as MERN e-commerce. And here I will be passing English because I have created videos both for English and Hindi. So here I will be passing English. And this repository I will be making as private. If you want to show to others, you can simply make it public. Now scroll down and click on create repository. After committing all the changes, I will copy the command from here, git branch, and my branch will be main. Here I will be pasting. Next, I will copy this command, and inside this I will be pasting. And finally, this entire code I'm just going to push inside the main branch. come here and paste. Now let us wait. It will take some time. Now you can see entire code is pushed. And before pushing entire code inside GitHub, one thing I forgot to mention, just check each and every file, and inside that, whatever logs we have displayed for debugging the data, simply remove all the logs. And if you have pasted any logs inside catch block, you can keep that. Apart from that, wherever you have used console.log in your application, remove all the logs. Now come to GitHub, refresh this. Now you can see my entire code is pushed, and inside the root I am not having node modules, and inside frontend also I am not having node modules, as well as I am not having this folder. Inside backend, inside config.env will not be included. So successfully we have pushed our entire code inside GitHub.